Jody, Jody?
Yes, Papa.
Mixing slime?
No, Papa.
Telling lies?
No, Papa.
Let's make ocean slime. Which color do we need for the ocean? Now we have to stretch it. Pull your hands apart. Wait, to get green, we need a secret mix. What colors make green? Quick! Hide the slime before Papa opens the door. Now for the magic! Let's add the star sparkles. Look at that! Rainbow sparkle slime. Open your mouth! Wait, what kind of slime is in the mystery jar? Is it monster slime? Guess. Is it glow in the dark? To see the mystery slime come to life, join the Slime Club. Subscribe to unlock